everyone. Welcome to FabFitFun Live. I am Natalie West from the Social Relations team, and we are back with 2 weeks of amazing programming for you guys. This is the show where you can watch live, shop live, play live, and best of all, win live. Now, today is Halloween, obviously, and we have a spooktacular show for you today. First up, back by popular demand, we have the one, the only Get a Clue game show. Hi, Chloe and Talia.
Hi.
They're getting ready to kick things off for you guys. And after Get a Clue, we have major spoilers for the add-on sale that starts tomorrow for our annual members. But today, you guys are getting a sneak peek. And then a little later on in the show, we're going to hook you up. If you are in desperate need of a last-minute Halloween costume, we've got you covered. We are going shopping in your closet. There's no need to hit them all. We promise you've already got everything you need. We have all that and so much more, so stick around for all of the fun. And I think it's time to get things started. Chloe and Talia are going to kick things off with Get a Clue.
Hi, Natalie. We are so happy to be back. We're your game show gals.
Oh, did you miss us? Because we missed you. And to celebrate our coming together, we are giving away some major swag.
Oh my gosh. Okay, it's Halloween and this is trick or treating for adults.
Yes. All right, everyone. It is time to get a clue. Whoever is logged on to Facebook right now can play. That means you out there. If you're on any other social media site, jump off and head over to FabFitFun's Facebook site right now.
And look at what you can win today. On our prize pedestal, we have a Spongel boxed flower buffer.
Ooh.
The scent is coconut verbena.
Mm,
Delicious.
That smells so good.
So good. Okay, we also have a living proof perfect hair day 5-in-1 styling treatment.
I need it.
Always.
I needed it today.
I needed it yesterday and tomorrow. Okay, we also have a Summer and Rose Dream Catcher necklace.
Oh, that's so
I
cute.
love that. The rose gold is so
I feel like it's
cute
cute for layering too.
So cute.
We also have a Pure Cosmetics limited edition eyeshadow palette.
I gotta open
the nude
it.
collection, you guys. We opened it earlier. It's so cute. We're gonna open it for you right now. I mean,
so cute.
That's so cute. Oh, and to use it with a 10-piece unicorn brush set. Look at the colors.
Amazing.
So
okay,
sweet.
this prize pack is valued at more than $200.
Okay, here's how to play. We have 10 clues ranging from super obscure to really simple. The clues are related to a person, place, or thing. We will read them one by one, and when you know the answer, write it in the comments section real fast. The first 3 people to get it right win.
Okay, but before we get started, here's a word from our gorgeous legal team.
Hello? Hello? Is anybody working here? Am I the only one who works here? Oh, hey. Didn't see you there. I'm Elliot from the FabFitFun legal department, and I'm here to remind you that even though your Facebook comments are going to appear first on your Facebook page, doesn't mean they're going to appear first on ours. We're going to pick the winner based on who appears first on our page, the one that matters. Thanks so much for playing.
Elliot!
Gotta love Elliot. Thank you for explaining that to us.
So cute. We work here. Okay, is everyone ready? Let's check. Oh, to see who's playing, we gotta check.
Yeah, we gotta check.
I wanna see. Okay, you guys.
Valerie Norden, are you here? This is of the utmost importance.
Yes, Gina Paletti is here.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, all our girls.
I missed everybody.
Edie Johnson, hey, we see you.
Oh my God. Kalia Wilkes.
Oh my gosh. Joy Lane Hurley is so excited. We're so excited, Joy.
Oh my gosh.
This
Sandy Mack, she's ready.
Oh, Sandy Mack, I remember
miss Sandy
you.
too. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, everybody's here. You guys, I feel like it is time to play Get a Clue.
Yes. Okay. And here is your first clue.
Okay.
I am a brunette.
Ooh, I am a brunette.
As am I.
But I think of Chloe as being a blonde because she used to have blonde hair.
I was super blonde in high school because I was obsessed with Britney Spears, and so when the Lucky music video came out, I had to get that like short, layered blonde hair
But
thing
that's how I
happening.
see you. Like I see that you have brown hair right now, but I don't believe it.
I've changed, Talia.
Yeah, that's
since my Britney Spears days.
Well, not in my mind.
Okay.
Your next clue is, I have been called enigmatic, alluring, and aloof.
Sounds mysterious.
Very mysterious. Very like foggy nights, you know.
Yeah, spooky Halloween
Oh, Halloween,
vibes.
yeah.
Okay, here is your next clue. I've been inside Napoleon Bonaparte's bedroom.
Okay, French,
Times of yore.
France,
Older times.
back in the day.
History.
So decadent. Like I feel like his bedroom was just like dripping
Yeah.
with diamonds.
And gold, for
Yes.
sure.
Okay, your next clue is I visited the United States for 4 months in 1962. Huh? I visited. So it's like a thing.
I guess.
that- or maybe a person?
Could be. Unclear.
Somebody that was married to Napoleon?
Here's your next clue. According to French law, I cannot be bought or sold.
Okay. So still
This
maybe
is a France thing.
Yeah, we are 100% on France.
Okay.
I feel good about that. Your next clue is I lived in the Palace of Versailles for a while. Okay, this is like the fanciest thing ever. If
if you're living in Versailles, like
and you're in
you're
Napoleon's,
important. Like
yeah.
you're an important thing.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Next clue. I was stolen in 1911 and returned 2 years later.
Okay,
I'm leaning into this being a thing.
I am too.
Not a
I
person.
know. It made me think of like Helen of Troy. She was stolen and then returned.
Yeah.
But like I don't think I think that's too far back in time.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Your next clue is it's there. Great. I am 500 years old and get love letters and flowers all the time. Oh my, so sweet.
So romantic.
Who cares about something so much to send it a love
I
letter?
don't know. Okay.
Wow.
Your next clue is I now call the Louvre home.
Okay.
That kind of narrows it
All
down.
right.
That narrows it down.
I'm feeling it.
Okay.
I'm feeling it. I feel like you guys are too.
For
Be
sure.
typing in, write it in. Okay, your next clue is I was painted by Leonardo da Vinci. I almost wanted to say Leonardo DiCaprio because I'm just so used to
She's
saying that
obsessed
name.
with Leonardo DiCaprio, like we get it.
We get it. Okay, you guys, how's everyone feeling? Are you wishing you'd paid more attention in art history class? Because I really wish I did too.
Yeah, okay. Or maybe you guys nailed it a while ago.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Before we reveal the answer, let's look at some of your guesses.
Okay, great.
Okay.
Oh, Michelle Owens, hot on the Mona Lisa
Hot on
train.
the Mona Lisa. Oh, we got some Queen Elizabeth, Marie
Oh.
Antoinette.
That's fun. Iris Figueroa said bridge. Oh, like a French bridge? Okay, I like that.
Okay.
But I don't think it could come to America.
Oh, someone said the wall where all lovers go, like, you know, where they put the
Oh,
keys.
with the locks.
With the locks, yeah.
Have you ever been there?
No.
Me either.
We should go.
We should go. We should put up a little lock for each other.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Okay,
Who
what else
else?
do we have?
Oh
Got some
boy.
more Mona
We have a lot of
Lisas.
Mona Lisas coming in. Okay.
Okay. Talia, should we reveal the answer?
I feel like it's time.
Okay.
The answer is Mona Lisa. Yay! Yay! Okay, guys, remember what Legal said. Our FabFitFun team is furiously working to determine the winners based on our Facebook feed, but guess what? They're fast. We got a lot of people on the ball today, and the results are in.
Okay. These are the first 3 people to have answered correctly. Congratulations to Amy Johnson, Jean Peterson, and Franny B.
Yay! Oh my
Great
God!
job! Congratulations. We will be in contact soon about getting your prizes to you.
For everyone else out there in Facebook land, do not worry. We are playing round 2 of
Get a clue. Okay, by now you know how to play, but just in case, here's the drill. We have 10 facts ranging from super hard to ridiculously easy. The clues are related to a person, place, or thing.
The first 3 viewers with the correct answer will win this amazing FabFitFun prize pack, and it's the same prize pack that was up for grabs in the first round, so we're not going to go through the whole thing,
Yeah,
but
you
you
know
get
what's
it.
up.
You get it.
Okay, let's do it. Here is your first clue.
People either love me or hate me. Oh.
Me. It could be me. It could be you. It
Oh
could
my
be any
gosh,
of us.
I know, because you know what? You can't worry about what other people think of you.
can't.
You have to
live
just
your
love
life.
yourself.
Exactly. Okay, next clue. I'm great to bring on vacation.
Okay.
also could be one of us.
Could be
Sorry,
anyone.
we're not trying to make this about us.
It's not
but
about
like if you
us.
need to bring us on vacation,
But
it's
like,
fine.
like a piece of luggage,
Yeah.
or maybe like a makeup thing. I don't know.
Could be.
Okay, your next clue is, in 2014, I was one of Time Magazine's top 25 best inventions.
Ooh.
Okay, that's pretty recent, 2014.
Yeah. It's the last few years.
But I just
So
mean
it's
like
a-
it's
it's
a
a
new
modern
So maybe like technology.
thing. Yeah.
Okay. Oh
For
yeah.
sure.
I mean,
I don't
what
know.
else are people inventing if it's not technology? You know.
Okay. Next clue. I can fit into most purses. Well, this really narrows it down, I feel.
Do you? Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, something has to be pretty
Size-wise.
small to fit into a purse.
Yeah. No, I agree. I try not to bring too much stuff in my purse.
I have a very small
small.
purse.
We're into small purses.
And yet
over
I
here.
still can't find anything in it. So,
And then we always have a huge second bag that's full of everything else.
yeah.
Okay, that's
We're
fine.
organized.
Your next clue is, chances are, if you're in Times Square in NYC, you'll see someone using me. I just want to say cell phone so badly,
Yeah.
but that's been invented so much.
Yeah, I don't think it's cell phone.
No.
But I also don't
That's
know.
fair.
It could
Yeah.
be. Okay, here's your next clue. I can reach to impressive heights. That's throwing me for a loop.
Yeah,
kind
I
of.
don't get that as much. Okay.
Okay.
Like a drone? Are drones small enough to go in your purse?
I don't know.
I don't know. Okay, your next clue is, some theme parks like Disneyland have banned me.
Oh.
Whoa.
Excuse me.
Controversial.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, your next clue is Ellen DeGeneres could have used my help with her famous Oscars picture.
Okay.
Now
that
we're-
tips
now
me.
we're on to
Once we get
something.
into that real hot pop culture, I'm tipped.
Yeah, totally.
Okay, your next clue is, I have access to angles most people can't reach.
Ooh.
I don't know where to go with this.
Now I feel like I know what it is.
Oh, you know.
So I
She's
can
done.
say nothing.
Yeah, we're done.
Okay.
So type it in. So that means you guys all probably know.
For sure. Okay, next clue is I have changed the photo taking game.
Okay. All right. Well,
Do you think you know?
yeah, I know. Now I know.
Okay. You guys know that you know this. Okay, think tourist.
Mm-hmm.
Hurry up and write your guess in the comments section.
Before we reveal the answer, let's check in with our favorite girls and guys, maybe. I want to see what people are guessing.
Yeah, let's look.
Okay. Lucy
Wireless
North.
headphones.
Oh, okay. Lucy North, you said selfie stick. I get that. I like that.
Camera. Laser stick.
Ooh,
I don't know
a
what that
laser
is.
stick. That's interesting. Oh, Melissa said mirror.
Okay.
Stephanie is like, yes, on that selfie stick.
Yeah.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
People are,
Someone said selfie stick and a hairbrush.
and a hairbrush. You know,
Okay.
that's fun too. Lori O'Donnell. Yeah, I get it. We see you, Lori O'Donnell.
Okay.
Great. Wow.
It's time to reveal the answer, and the answer is
Selfie stick.
Yay!
Our FabFitFun team is confirming our winners at this very moment. This is so exciting doing it live.
I know.
we're
Okay.
just
Wouldn't
living
it
the
just
dream.
be great though if the questions on the DMV test were this easy? I mean, honestly.
Yeah, it would make me maybe
Passed
go
with
to the.
flying colors.
Did you pass your driver's license test on the first time?
Yeah, I got only -2.
Wow. Okay, that threw me for a loop.
Sorry.
You guys, the information is in. Okay, these are the first 3 people to have answered correctly. Congratulations to Rebecca Webb, Angie Capra, and Lisa M. Parker. Woo!
Yay!
Yay! Oh my
Awesome
gosh.
job, everyone. Oh, we just love giving prizes
Oh
away.
my gosh, and we are going to be playing several games over the next 2 weeks. Beauty in the Box, Win in 60, and Get a Clue. And we need players willing to jump on video chat to play live.
Do you want us to contact you? If you want to play, you've got to let us know. We're not mind readers here, so send us an email, and we just may video chat with you live on one of our games. Our email address is ffflive@fabfitfun.com.
Thanks everyone for playing along, and congrats to all of our winners.